For everyone from Dharavi Rocks, I'm going to tell you all the heroes' names from here first. I'm so sorry I have it on a piece of paper. I don't know all of them individually as well, yet as much as I should know them. Give it up for Guddu, who's a fantastic singer also. Atif. Atif kidhar hai? Haath upar. Hello. Latif. Atahar. Oh. Minhaz. Minhaz kaun? Are shabash. Aur Imtiyaz to bas ye hain. The biggest guy, I mean, for me, every time I meet this guy, I feel humbled because he's doing something which we all thought that we would be able to do. And he's taken this to a different level. Give it up for Abhijit Jejurikar, who's just fantastic. I won't say much about how good he is because I know the joy he's getting every time he does this. I know it. And every time he goes back home, I know he's bloody happy, and even when he's with them, he's happy. So let's wish him a lot more of the same happiness. Give it up for Abhijit, please. आपको अभी कहीं नहीं जाना, 2 मिनट बाद आपको स्टेज में आना है. 1 मिनट, हाँ, 2 मिनट, 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट बाद 2 मिनट 1 मिनट, क्या कुछ भी बोल दो. मैं अभी स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा एक और जो कंप्लीटली अपने कैरेक्टर के साथ ही रहते हैं. इन्होंने जैसे सर प्लीज. Vinod is from Akon Foundation. Akon Foundation actually works with not just these guys but 150 of them in Dharavi. And it's not just about music, it's also about music, dance, art. It's also about regular education. He makes sure, or he tries to make sure, that all of these guys, as I said, can have a self-sustainable future. It's a fantastic thing to do. Please give it up. Please give it up for Vinod and Akon Foundation. They're fantastic. Interestingly, we have to give a big round of applause to Blue Frog because they were the ones who partnered with Vinod to start Dharavi Rocks. And the reason we got to know what it was when they planned this, Emmanuel, who's our manager, Emma, come on stage, had a conversation with me and said, you know, Vinod and I have been talking about this, so we should do something for music with these guys. And that's why we should have you on board. So Dharavi Rocks is pretty much their brainchild and how it's worked. We're just very, very honored to be a part of it. Give it up for Emma, please. So हमारा ये जो प्यार में बकरा गाना है जब रिलीज होगा कल सुबह, तो that's what we're gonna tell people. अगर आपको गाना अच्छा लगा, शायद आपको अच्छा लगा है, बाहर hopefully लोग सुनेंगे. We're gonna release this song tomorrow morning. ठीक गाया. We have a lot of ideologies that match, and this is one of them. I know both of them are going to get embarrassed if I start talking too much about it, but it's two lovely people getting together for a lovely cause, and I think that's merits a much bigger round of applause. I don't think any producer does it for a launch of a film. And I don't think any of this has anything to do with any commercial aspect. It's something that he called me and said, my mother and I want to do this, we want to do it. Please, I mean, whatever you want to, it's just a token to start with. That's Ramesh. He heads Shrutika Films, and Shrutika Films brings you your Hippocrapur, and all of us. So I'm going to pass the mic on to Ramesh, who's going to say a few words, I hope. Yeah.